Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the router link versus navigate by URL. Router link, the template binding. What it is? A directive used in the templates to bind a route to an anchor element or the clickable UI element like this. Router link slash home, go to the home button or router link like this. Okay, pros simple and declarative. No need for the TypeScript code. Automatically applies router link active for the styling. Limited to the templates only, less dynamic compared to the TypeScript routing. Navigate, navigation. What it is? A method of the router service used in the TypeScript for dynamic conditional navigation. This dot router dot navigate slash product slash file with query parameters like this. Navigate slash search query parameters Angular. Pros dynamic, useful for after events like button clicks, form submission, etc. Supports routeries and navigation extras like query param states. Cons requires manual subscription if tracking success and the failure. Navigate by URL, direct URL navigation. So also from the router service, use the navigate using the full URL string. This dot route dot navigate by URL like this. Okay. Pros useful when you already have the full URL as a string. Cleaner for the simpler cases. Cons does not support route array like navigate, slightly less flexible for the query parameters for the complex route trees. So there is a slight differences like see navigate by URL, router link, and the navigate where used template component TypeScript. Okay, so here navigate by URL, that is component, this is template, and this is component TypeScript. Route input type string, array, and its array. Query parameters easy via query params, easy via query params object, manual append to the string. Programmatic use, yes, no, yes. Dynamic flexibility, it's medium. Navigate by URL, it's limited and it's high. When to use what? Use router link for the basic template based navigation. Use navigate when building paths dynamically in the code. Use navigate by URL when you already have a complete URL as a string. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.